So you think me a your size? It's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're gonna go over things Jamaican mums say part 2. Let's get into it. Number 1. When a Jamaican mother says this to you, it's really for you to redeem yourself. Actually, in general, if a woman asks you this, it's for you to redeem yourself. So if your Jamaican mother ever says to you, "Let me ask you a question," nobody lie, you know. Nobody lie. And nobody make up no story because she know the answer already. She know the answer already. So even me I tell you, if you broke your plate in the kitchen and you think that she never notice, she know. If you take up something off her dresser and you think she never notice, she know. If you sneak out at night time and come back in the morning and think that she asleep, no man, she know. So no bother with the lying. No bother with the story making, just tell her the truth cause she know. So when she tell you, make me ask you a question, just admit to it. Because you got to dig a deeper hole for yourself. Now number 2, this is a follow-up from the first one. So if your Jamaican mother says to you, "Oh, so you take me feed yet?" That means, hello. Me born before you, you know. Me run them your game already. Me do them your trick already. You can't run that for me, right? You can't take me for fool. You can't take me for idiot. She's basically saying you can't do what she's done before. You know, she's done it already. She's run these games. She's played these jokes. You can't do that. She's already done it, so she knows what you're doing. So, hello, nobody take your mother for idiot because she don't know what you're doing already. Number 3, the last and final one is, "Oh, so you think me and your size?" This is exactly what it sounds like. So you think me and your size. I'm an adult. You're a child. Me a bigger man. You're pitney. Me older than you. You're younger than me. She's also trying to tell you that, hello, you grow inside of me, you know. So there's no way me and you could be the same size. And honestly, if she said this to you, you've clearly said something to her that she doesn't like and it's not agreeing well. So she's reminding you, hello. Me and your name band together. So there's no way me and you are the same size. Alright? That was 3 things Jamaican mothers say. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to comment, share, subscribe and like. And also just a reminder that I have started my natural beauty business. If you're interested in natural products, please check my description for more information down below. But once again guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you all and I will definitely see you in another video. Bye.